Minister of External Affairs of Sri Lanka, Professor G.L. Peiris, Your Excellencies, Chiefs of Defense Staff from South and Southeast Asia and their representatives, distinguished delegates, good morning. The inaugural ASEAN Defense Chiefs Dialogue, mooted by Sri Lanka on the theme, The Asia We Want, has brought all of us to a common forum over the past 2 days. Much discussion on the dynamics of the region and deliberation on the implications to states and the region in particular has taken place in a very congenial atmosphere of mutual trust and understanding. As envisaged in the concept proposed by the Sri Lanka, the ASEAN Defense Chiefs Dialogue was anticipated to be a follow-up to the conference on the interaction and confidence building measures in Asia, SICA. As you are aware, the heads of states of SICA met in the People's Republic of China for the 4th SICA summit on 21st May 2014. The theme for the 4th summit was Enhancing Dialogue, Trust and Coordination for a New Asia of Peace, Stability and Cooperation. The declaration of the 4th summit recognized and appreciated the efforts of all SICA members who carried out dialogue and cooperated in enhancing confidence-building measures. It also welcomed efforts to promote cooperation in different dimensions of confidence-building measures. Most importantly, it acknowledged the importance of strengthening cooperation, partnership, and external relations between SICA and other regional and international organizations and forums. Thus, the scope and tenor of the ASEAN Defense Chiefs Dialogue is underscored. Now it is fitting to dwell upon the formation and way forward of this ASEAN Defense Chiefs Dialogue. We are privileged to have none other than the Honorable Minister of External Affairs of Sri Lanka, Honorable Professor G.L. Peiris, an eminent scholar, to share his thoughts and lead the discussion at this final session. Professor Peiris earned a doctorate in philosophy from the University of Oxford in 1971. He was a Rhodes Scholar of Oxford University from 1968 to 71. He has functioned as a Professor of Law, Dean of the Faculty of Law, and Vice Chancellor of the University of Colombo. He was a visiting fellow of All Souls College, University of Oxford during 1980-81, a distinguished visiting fellow of Christ's College, University of Cambridge during 1985-86, and a Butterworth visiting fellow of the Institute of Advanced Legal Studies in the University of London during 1983-84. Professor Peiris entered Parliament in 1994 after his illustrious academic career and function in the portfolios of Minister of Export Development and International Trade, Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Minister of Ethnic Affairs and National Integration, Minister of Enterprise Development and Investment Promotion and Industrial Policy before assuming his current portfolio as the Minister of External Affairs. Professor Peiris has been closely associated with foreign policy issues and has wide experience in law and international relations. He has authored 12 books and over 75 papers published in international journals. It is my pleasure to call upon Professor G.L. Peiris to address the gathering. Thank you.